In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to purchase MLS game ticket online from Ticketmaster. Let's get started. Launch your Ticketmaster app or navigate to the website, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, now navigate to the sports section. You can click on three bars, then select the option sports. From here, choose your location by tapping on the near option. You can either use your current location or search for a city like New York City. Next, if you are looking for games on a specific day, tap on dates and select the date you want. Then under the sports category, choose soccer so you can browse MLS matches available in your area. Now here you're gonna find all the matches. Once you find the match that you wanna attend, click on that. You'll be directed to the ticket selection page. Here you can switch to map view to see the stadium layout and choose where you want to sit. You can also select the number of tickets you need and apply filters based on ticket price or seating section. After choosing your tickets, tap next to continue to checkout. On the checkout page, Ticketmaster will temporarily hold your tickets while you complete the purchase. You'll then be able to choose your payment method, including credit card, debit card, PayPal, or Venmo. You may also see an option for ticket insurance and a full price breakdown before confirming your order. If everything looks good, simply tap on place order and complete the purchase. So that's it. This way you are able to buy MLS soccer tickets on Ticketmaster. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.